Okay, so the idea is we've got to dry these seats out today. They're not bad, they're not bad. Okay, look how beautiful they look. That's a big difference. Anyway, to dry them out, what I'm going to do is use a diesel heater, one of my spares. Gonna put him on the floor. I was going to mount him on that. Battery, I want to see what the voltage is like on that, so we'll connect it up now. I can't see that properly. Pozzo and Lego. There you go. That fascinates me, that green light. On the new Leisure batteries, you've got 3 positions, just so I'd let you know that. Let me show you. It's quite interesting actually. I didn't notice it the other day, but usually they said when they're black, they're dead. Well, not according to these new Leisure batteries. White, replace. Black, needs charging, and green, charged. Of course we're green. I don't know how they do it. Very clever. If someone does know, let me know in the comment. That'll be interesting. I'll be interested to see that. Right, let's see what the voltage reading we got. We haven't got one. I haven't got something right here. See, that's why you have to wear glasses. That was a big mistake. Hope I haven't done any damage. Silly bugger. Oh, that was lucky. Now that's interesting. That's reading 13 volts. And my battery on my cabin is only reading 12. That's a bit weird. Why is that? So I've got a 13 on a standard battery. And yet I've only got 12 on this one. And this is what's happening. Hold on one sec. Yeah, all the lights and everything work fine. I wonder if I should put some jump leads on just to check. Okay. Also bring you with me. That's my jump lead pack. Like that. I love that actually. Right. This is going to be quite easy to do. Right, I'm going to connect the jump leads from my Leisure battery into my main battery. Okay, so I'm jumping from my Leisure battery there. I took the red terminal off. Let's go and see. Because I just ordered a new bloody starter motor. Okay, let's go and have a look round. Be gentle. Oh, I hope not. I don't mind changing the starter motor, but if that's the case, then there's something wrong with my, because I fitted a charge control unit. That's an actual relief, because I thought my battery was pretty good, and I went to town, trained, come back, turned the engine off, and then it wouldn't start again. So I'm a little bit relieved with that, to be honest with you, because I've just spent nearly 100 quid on a starter motor. Right, let's carry on with the job in hand. This looks like something out of Doctor Who, look. What's going on? They're going to invade. Anyway, so the idea is to get the diesel heater going to dry these seats out, and then I'll swap it over. Right, so let me get this fired up. 2 seconds. So I just thought I'd show you, not this, don't know what that is. These clips I got on my batteries are really, really handy. If you can see them, so you just pop them on, and then just, these are off eBay. Clip them into place. Sorry, I didn't have aim focus, did I? There you go. So they just push on and squeeze in there. And there we go. Full tank of diesel. All ready to go. Not fired this up for quite some time actually. It's got to be over 12 months, probably more. and 3. Alright, let's see what happens. Could probably pull that door to a bit. Ooh, I love this bit of kit. No smoke, clean as a whistle. I mean, it is pretty well brand new. Well, within reason. Right, time to put the stuff back. Anybody else as well? If you leave it in the comments down below, what can I use on my hinges? My doors have gone stiff. I think it's brake cleaner, isn't it? If you know, please give us a. Leave it in the comment. My little goodie drawer. Keep some of the bushcraft stuff. Knife, illegal of course now in this country, which is a bit daft really, because they say you can't carry a knife like this around, which is fine, which is I totally agree with, but you can carry like a standard steak knife that you can use to cut meat up. I mean, what's the difference? The steak knife is about 12-inch blade. Anyway, stupid laws sometimes. But I don't use it outside the vehicle, I use it for chopping wood and whatnot. There's my tar, sharpener, axe. And that's about it really. It's not down properly. There we go. Cool. She's firing up. Yes, before anybody says, yes, we're probably going to lose a lot of heat, but I'm only aiming to dry the seats out, that's all I'm interested in. And that's beautiful. Oh, that is so nice. So that has not even got, well, it's only just started, it's lovely and warm, so that should dry the seats. And if I can just angle it a little bit, there we go. How to dry your seats. Okay, I'll pull the door to a bit, we should be alright with that. Actually, we don't need them. Put my battery forward. Gently. This is the beauty of thing about being portable, these heaters are so versatile. There we go. Oh, so nice. And it's bloody cold today. Right, I think that'll do for this one. We'll see. I'll see how they get on. That's been going for what? I think about half an hour. That is bone dry. So I'm going to swap it over and do the driver's seat now. Wow, I'm chuffed with that. That works really well. Okay, if you enjoyed that bit of a video, I know it's a bit a weird one, but hey ho. Yeah, give us a like and a thumbs up. Videos come to you, no charge, all free. So yeah, just a like and a subscribe would be great. You don't even have to do it if you don't want to, just a like. Take care, and we'll definitely catch you in the next one.